Still a little frozen. I'll do it right here close to the edge so it defrosts. It was supposed to defrosted, but I put it out last night. I figured it would defrost in the refrigerator, but it didn't. Maybe a little slowly get it up to temperature.
You know, that stuff frozen too. All the vegetables are frozen.
They'll probably defrost quicker.
Need to get the bacon going so they get the bacon flavor in them too.
Yeah.
Might not actually need to flip them just yet, but is it still filming if it's not making a picture on my side?
What's that do?
Is it still filming? The red light is blinking, but I don't see anything.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm seeing. I mean, what I'm filming though, because I can't
Add a
see.
little bit of oil to this to get something to cook in, you know. This here is sea salt, about out of it. There's more.
So a lot easier on the pepper than you did the salt.
Then we're going to go with the black pepper. Hands are slippery. It smells good. I'm not used to that.
Oh Lord, Carly. That's a lot of pepper. I ain't gonna be able to eat it.
So I'll take them and spread them out. So, there we go. Got a little seasoning on there.
What do I push to see the picture again? Because I don't know what I'm filming. This is probably